Hey everybody, Tori here. Welcome back to the channel. So let's say you have a great product, a great team, and even a pretty gosh darn good website. But traffic to that website isn't really what you want it to be, or it may be decent, but you still feel like there's a lot of room for improvement. Well, luckily for you, I got 5 steps to help you increase traffic to your site and increase your leads. Websites are your main tool to house information and get your business to where exactly you want it to be. 94% of first impressions have to do with your site's design. Slow loading websites lead to revenue losses totaling $2.6 billion with a B dollars. Let's pop into our first tip, and that's high quality content. Do your research. Find out what your audience is looking for and what your competition is doing. Once you have this info, you can create content that addresses the pain points of your audience in engaging and informative ways. Keeping your content tight and to the point makes your audience feel like you respect their precious browsing time. Having a variety of content from blog posts, studies, videos, even animation can help you get this content to people who really need to see it. If your content is researched and dynamic, it'll be hard for people to ignore. Trust me, I researched them. Moving into our next tip, speaking of content, it's to update your site regularly. This might sound like a no-brainer, but if you have out-of-date content on your website, it's a huge red flag to your audience. Updating your site with up-to-date info not only keeps you current, but it gives people a reason to keep coming back to your site. Take the time to update your website regularly and always be on the lookout for opportunities to update and revamp your site. This brings us right up to tip number 3, on-page SEO. Search engine optimization is all about getting your site recognized by search engines and ranked higher so more people are able to actually see it. An on-page SEO is the act of adjusting your website to get it more easily recognized within that system. There are a ton of actions that you can take to improve your on-page SEO, from adjusting your headers, meta descriptions, even your URLs. If on-page SEO is newer for you, or even if you just want some new tools for your toolbox, check out our complete SEO starter pack. You'll get templates, myths to stay away from, and insight reports. This kit can help you step up your SEO game and get your site in front of a much larger audience. As always, check it out by clicking the link down below. Moving on from SEO, our next tip is community building. Getting a group of people enthusiastic about your brand together can definitely help drive traffic to your site. Think about it like this. A one-person dance party isn't very much fun, but a 20-person dance party is crowded, kind of smelly, but fun, lots of fun. Your job is just to create the right venue for the dance party to happen. You can create a venue for your audience like social media sites, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Having a dedicated space where your audience can interact directly with you, get their questions answered, and talk to each other will help bring a lot more people in. And this brings us to our final tip, community engagement. Building a community is awesome, is great, but engagement can increase your traffic to a whole new level. Finding a good balance between engaging and humorous while also staying away from spammy or self-serving makes your engagement that much more meaningful. Develop a strategy to talk to your audience regularly and have a voice that's informative while still holding on to your brand. And that's it, 5 tips to bring traffic to your site. I want to hear from you. Any tips that you've used before that I may have missed, or which of these tips that I shared are you most excited about? As always, if you like what you heard and you want to hear more, comment, like, and subscribe to hear more. Adios.
I can't find this client info.
Have you heard of HubSpot? HubSpot is a CRM platform, so it shares its data across every application. Every team can stay aligned. No out-of-sync spreadsheets or dueling databases. HubSpot. Grow better.